Do you want to know everything about PhD in physics? Then watch the video till the end. We will guide you about the eligibilities, career options, and top research areas for your PhD in physics. A PhD in physics is a perfect choice for you if you are passionate about space, quantum mechanics, or understanding the secrets of the universe. Today we will discuss how to pursue PhD in physics, its duration, and future career prospects. If you want to pursue PhD in physics, then you must have an MSc in physics or a related field with 55 to 60% marks. Admission requires clearing entrance exams like UGC NET, JEST, GATE, or university-specific tests. Some of the most popular research areas include quantum physics, astrophysics, high-energy physics, condensed matter physics, applied physics. The duration of the PhD in physics usually ranges from 3 to 6 years, depending on your research work and university guidelines. If your research involves extensive experimental work, then it may take longer. Some universities have minimum duration of 3 years and maximum of 6 to 7 years. After completing your PhD, multiple career opportunities open, such as for academia and teaching, university professor, lecturer. For research scientist, ISRO, DRDO, BARC, CSIR labs. For AI and data science, machine learning and quantum computing. For industrial R&D, semiconductor industry, renewable energy sector. For international research, NASA, CERN, MIT, Stanford, and other prestigious institutions. Your salary depends on your expertise and industry. In India, salaries range from 8 LPA to 35 LPA, while internationally, the earning potential is even higher. So, do you want to pursue a PhD in physics? Then why wait? Comment below and contact Aimly for expert guidance. And yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.